Hello and welcome back. Are you with me? Are you following and creating a video a day for a week? I am challenging you to create one video a day for a week. This will not only help you to get used to using your phone and your camera, but it will also help you to grow your YouTube channel. If you don't have a computer, no problem. Use your cell phone. Your cell phone is just like a mini computer that you can carry around in your back pocket. And it has enough processing power, just like your laptop and just like your desktop. We are very fortunate that we have the technology today that people only dreamt about 25 years ago. And I also wrote an article on medium.com talking about the history of the cell phone before it became the cell phone. I have created over 300 videos on YouTube, building a YouTube channel, everything to do with YouTube, WordPress, building a WordPress using the classical editor and the Gutenberg editor, and affiliate marketing for beginners. This channel is for beginners. And for this year, 2021, I am going to be creating all of my videos using just the cell phone. Video, we are going to be creating content for your YouTube channel with your pet. Creating content and using your imagination with your pet is something that is easy to do. There are a couple of steps that you need to take in order for it to work out for you and your pet, because sometimes they're sleeping, sometimes they don't feel like playing, and just sometimes it's not the right time to actually make a video. So in this video, I am going to be showing you step by step how you create an under 10-minute video, then edit the video in Inshot, or you can edit the video using any other type of editor that your phone has. For instance, my phone is a Samsung A71, and there's different editing features that you will see in your phone. But I do like using the Inshot program, and I do have the Pro program. I think it's well worth it. After you create your video and edit your video in your Inshot editor, then you will convert your video and upload to YouTube. Once the video is uploaded to YouTube, then you can then find your Chrome, find the three dots on the top right hand corner, and choose desktop site. And this will open up what looks like your desktop. Don't worry if you're feeling shy. And if you don't know what to say, just turn your camera on and start talking, and you will see the words will come to you. It's just that sometimes when we're nervous about doing something, it's a little bit harder to do. I have been building a YouTube channel for almost 2 years now, and I started out building a YouTube channel using step-by-step video tutorials on how to create a WordPress. And then it branched out from there, how to create a YouTube channel, and from there, how to create organic traffic, and so on and so forth. So it doesn't matter where you are right now, as long as you turn on your camera and start talking into it. That is when your channel is going to start to grow. I can't guarantee that, but I can tell you that mostly everything in life is a numbers game. So the more videos you make, the more content you make, the more chance you have of getting recommended by YouTube and getting your videos out there, getting them to be liked and to be viewed, which will also increase your watch time hours. So in this short video, I'm just going to cut through all of the red tape. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to create a video using a prop, or let's say using your pet. Your pet is not really a prop, but just making a short video with your pet. And as you can see, my pet is nowhere to be seen right now. That's because he's all tired out and sleeping. And I will put up a little picture. I guess if you look up to the left-hand corner, you will see a picture of TigerCat sleeping, because he's all tired out from all of the playing that he was doing today while I was creating this video. So in this video, I will show you how to create your video, and then I will then show you the different program that you can use, or you could use your own cell phone editing program. But I would use the Inshot editor, and I would also use the Inshot Editor Pro. But you can do it for free if you want to, just to begin. When you get more advanced and you're doing more things with your video, then go to the Pro. And no, I am not an affiliate with this company. And then after you have finished creating your video, editing your video, then you will use another program after you have converted your video and uploaded your video to YouTube. You should have the YouTube Studio app installed on your phone in order for you to be able to do certain things in the YouTube Studio. You don't need to have it installed, but if you choose to have it installed, if you have enough space on your phone, then install the YouTube Studio app. You can also use Chrome. You would just go to your browser, which is your Chrome browser, and look up to your right, and you will see 3 dots. Choose the 3 dots and scroll down till you get to something that says Desktop Site, because that is exactly what it is. It will give you the view on your cell phone what a desktop site would look like, and you can do almost the same things. So then after you have your video, you can then process your video and make your video public and share your video to all of the places that YouTube shares videos to. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Get your pet interested in the camera. Make sure that your pet is not hungry, so feed your pet before you start your video. So, once your pet is willing, you can then make a video. You can even use a mascot, and maybe a couple of friends. That's for your cat. For you, you need to make sure that your video is interesting and engaging. It will keep people watching. A play area, another area that the camera may see in the area in which you are creating your video. So you want to make sure that you have every area that the camera is going to see covered. So it doesn't matter where the camera goes, everything will be in the place that you want it to be. When you first have a kitten, one thing you are going to notice is that your kitten likes jumping on your laptop, if you have a laptop. So what I do is I have created a plastic case that goes over the laptop so that if the kitten jumps on it, it won't hurt my laptop. And also, I have enough space here so that the fan can breathe. You can see the fan area in here. This area right here is where the fan is. So you need to have that area open in your plastic container, or if you can create something out of wood, just as a sort of like a little shelf or something to cover your laptop, so that when your kitten jumps, it doesn't jump on top of your laptop and break your screen. And you just make sure that all of your wires are able to still be connected. For your monitor, I have a Scepter monitor, 27-inch. So for my monitor, I use duct tape. I duct taped my monitor down. So when the kitten tried to jump up on the desk over here, or jump on the monitor, it won't knock the monitor over. Okay, now we're ready for our video. And can you see I'm wearing this green scarf? Well, you know that it's almost St. Patrick's Day. So, happy St. Patrick's Day. Okay, on with the video. Edit your video in your Inshot, where you can add text, images, change the color, use different filters, split your video, and also use transitions. Add a intro and outro, and you can watch the video that I'll leave in the description for making an intro. Save your video using 720p. You will see converting video. Upload to YouTube. Add your title, description. No, it's not made for kids. Add to a playlist. Add your tags. Choose upload. Find your Chrome. That's a browser. Go to your YouTube channel in your Chrome browser. Make sure you click the three dots on the top right hand. Make sure you are at your desktop site. This will give you your desktop site. Choose Customize Channel, your YouTube Studio dashboard. Choose Content. Choose the video that you would like to edit. Here you can further add your title, your description, upload a thumbnail, choose a playlist. Make sure you have it clicked at no, it's not made for kids, unless it is made for kids. Click show more. You can further add your tags, your recording date, and your category. When you have finished that, you will then save your work. You can now add end screens and video cards, as well as subtitles. When you see duplicate and edit, you will know that YouTube has created the transcription for you to be able to edit it. See your video in YouTube. Use your share button. And now you can share to any place you have installed on your cell phone. Pinterest, your Twitter, your Facebook, your LiveJournal, your Blogit, your Snapchat, your LinkedIn, your WordPress, any place that you have installed on your phone, you can share to from YouTube on your cell phone. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video helpful, then give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the bell notification icon so you will be notified of the next video that I am posting, which will be tomorrow. Please join me on the 7-day challenge. 1 video a day for a whole week. And then let me know if your channel is starting to grow. And also leave me a comment. I'm happy to answer it. If you have any questions about anything, you can ask me. And if you want to check out the other videos that are on my YouTube channel, I have many playlists that you can check out as well. Stay safe, and looking forward to hanging out with you soon.